Madeline. Are you doing a puzzle? Puzzle. Come here. Can you bring it here? Uh-oh. Uh-huh. Oh, your top of your leg is in it. Hey, Madeline.
Can you bring the cooler to Mommy?
Bring me a puzzle.
Here.
Whoa. Say hi.
Ah.
Hi. Is that heavy? Ooh. Can you carry it to Daddy?
Maddie, can you bring me the cooler?
What happened? What happened? Are you watching football? Ooh, that's a good face, Maddie. So glad we captured that. Maddie. Whoa, don't trip on Felix. Oh, you like your pillow? Slash blanket? Oh, you want me to take it? Okay. I'm gonna take a nap. You want it? You say please?
Yes.
Please. You want to open it? Go ask Daddy. Say please.
I would.
Can you say please, Maddie? Do you want Daddy to open it up for you?
Can you give Daddy a kiss? Ooh.
Just a blanket. Just a blanket. Just a blanket.
Where's Maddie? Don't eat it. Are you a busy bee?
What?
You want to come put them in your cooler? Can you get your cooler open? Maddie, are you cute? Are you cute? Maddie. Your cooler's open. You want to open it? There you go. Oh, don't close it. Can you blow Mama a kiss? I love you. Say I love you too, Mama. Mama. You say Felix? Felix.